Quantum Prime is a completely new grain technology from our old Quantum products. A lot of what was done for the Quantum Prime grain was to try to extend the life of the wheel. Quantum Prime is a very universal grain. We can use it in a plethora of our bond technologies across multiple industries. The big ones are probably aerospace and automotive, but we also see a big use in gear, the tool room grinding, and in our medical. What we've done is we've modified the microstructure of the grain itself to promote better self-sharpening capabilities. So what that's allowed that grain to do is, in a more controlled way, wear over time. It also allows the grain to stay sharper as it's grinding. So what that leads to is better productivity, lower wear rates. Generally, we see a little bit lower power draw as well, and so we're able to push the wheels a little bit faster. Those two things in combination are really where we tend to bring a lot of value, and we see a lot of promise with this grain technology.